Hi, my name is Marie-Ève Deschamps. I'm here at InfoComm 2023. Behind me you can see the interactive booth created by Moment Factory and powered by NanoLumens. So this booth is an interactive booth. So people come here and play. And today we have the capsules, the interactive butterflies. So you can see the butterflies coming naturally to me. And I can play with it. Every day we have different content. So we had created like sparkle reacting to the movement of your arms, of your body. And we have also another interesting capsules where people are coming and taking like playing with it, dancing, and it reacts to the movement of your body. So people are coming here to play and discover what we can do with the technology. We're here to bring playfulness and make people feel happy about the experience here at InfoComm 2023. You can find more information about our company, Moment Factory, on momentfactory.com.